Let us go with the problem number 8. Here a school library has a different subject books as shown in the following pictograph, right? Mathematics, Hindi, English and history. One symbol represents 50 books. Which subject books are minimum in number? Right. So by observing this, that is history. Right. It's very simple one, history, because history, so here each symbol represent 50. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is there. That is 7 mathematics. That is 7 into 5, 50. That is 350 books are here. Right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 50, 300. Right. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 50, 400. So this is going to be 3 into 50, 150. So the question is what? Which subject books are minimum in number? That is history. Option D is the right one. There is no need to calculate all these stuffs. Only by observing the symbol you can able to answer. That is history books has less number of books, right? History subject has less number.